Congratulations to Bed Bath & Beyond and Big Pivot Partners on garnering multiple accolades in this year's Vision Awards competition. LACP's Vision Awards annual report competition was the largest in more than a decade. Nearly 1,000 organizations participated, representing a wide range of industries and organizational sizes across more than 20 countries. Despite the unprecedented competition, Bed Bath & Beyond's ESG report truly excelled. 6 total awards were garnered, across multiple industry categories and best-in-class determinations based on geography. These awards include Gold winner, Worldwide ESG Reports, Consumer Products Sector. Top 100 Reports, Worldwide, ranking at number 34. Top 80 Reports, Americas Region. Most Improved Report, Americas Region, Platinum ranking. Top American Report, ranking at number 14. Award for Technical Achievement in an ESG Report. Once again, congratulations to the entire team at Bed Bath & Beyond and Big Pivot Partners for a job well done. Learn more online at www.lacp.com/2021vision or continue watching for additional details.